I got a great unboxing for you guys today, so stay tuned. So I'm back at it again. I got a great video for you guys today. We have an unboxing that we're gonna do today. So I was thinking about what are some things that could help me help myself. You know, it's all about us being able to help ourselves. We do so much for so many people in the world, and we really don't take time to help ourselves. So I said I needed something that could help promote the channel, something to help promote me, everything that I'm doing. So I know you have word of mouth, you have social media, you have a multitude of things, but I wanted to do something to help myself. So if you look, this tattoo right here says Solid. That's the name of my clothing brand. I'll actually put a link in the description below if you guys want to check out what I have on the site. So I am a walking billboard with this conversation piece on my arm. I always get, hey, what does solid mean? What does solid mean? Then it goes into a description of what I got going on, the clothing line, the fitness wear, and then I hand them a business card. That's how it all starts. Whenever you want to build something, whenever you want to brand something, whenever you want to advertise, there's no better way than to become a walking advertisement. Now, I'm not telling everybody to go and get tattoos. Don't go get a tattoo. That was just what I felt like doing. So what you should do is at least get some apparel with whatever your brand is. If you're just an influencer, if you have financial advice, get you something that says my financial planning or something, and you walk around with it. It becomes a conversation piece. Come up with some wordplay. It becomes a conversation piece because someone's gonna stop and say, for instance, look at this shirt. It's a conversation piece. People want to know what it means. If you really want to know what it means, ask me in the comment section. I'll break it down for you. Or actually, if anyone can guess what this means outside of the people that I already know, but for my new subscribers, anyone can guess exactly what this means, I'll give you a free shirt off of my site, Solid Apparel. I'll give you a free shirt off of there. You go pick whatever shirt you want. We'll make it happen. You have to become a walking billboard for your business. You have to become a walking billboard for your business. I did say, and I did point, and I did do this. You have to be a walking billboard for your company. No one advertises like you. No one advertises like you. No one is as passionate about your dream and your product than you are. I know it feels like we're kind of going off subject. We're still gonna do the unboxing, but it's gonna all tie into what this is right here. Because if I'm not out advertising, if I'm just relying on one entity such as social media, I'm not gonna get very far, not at all. So I have to think of all ways that I can promote and advertise my business. Think about the last time you took a trip down the highway. How many billboards did you see on the side of the road? If there's one billboard and 10,000 cars pass that billboard a day, that's 10,000 pieces of advertisement, or however you want to say it. So it advertised to 10,000 people. Think about how many people you may walk by on a daily basis. Become that advertisement. You know, you walk by 1,000 people a day for free. That's free advertisement. You don't have to pay anybody else to do it. You become that advertisement. My tattoo is, I'm a walking billboard. I always get asked what this means, what it is. And it always leads into me describing my clothing brand, the reasoning behind my clothing brand, and they understand what I feel like solid means. You know, they understand the name behind, the meaning behind the name. It's typically a 15 to 20 minute conversation. I give a business card. A couple of days, I see a new order come in. And I know it's because I was walking advertisement. And that's what it's about. So, without further ado, let's get my handy dandy blade on them. And we're gonna open this up. Let me see the best way to cut because I don't want to cut what's in here. You know what I mean? Definitely don't want to do that. Then I had to place another order. And then we got to do another video again. Not just kidding. So, I'm going to go ahead and pop this bad boy open. And so far, so good. Put the knife away because I don't want to shank myself. I don't want to shank myself. All right. So, remember, we just talked about becoming a walking billboard, being a walking billboard. Now, shout out, first and foremost, shout out to Vinyl Sickness. VinylSickness.com. I'm gonna put the link to their website below because I essentially got a billboard for my car now, for the Camaro. So it advertises the YouTube channel, The Really Rails. So this is gonna go on my car. I think I'm gonna put it on the back window, I believe. Maybe the front window, but I'm thinking more so the back window, so if someone pulls up behind me, they'll be able to check it out. So now my car becomes a driving billboard around the city. People are gonna say, hey, I wanna know what he does. Let me go check his YouTube channel out. And there you go. So major shout out to Vinyl Sickness. They actually put Vinyl Sickness. That's what the website logo looks like. So definitely go check them out. Just from like holding it right now, I can tell it's good, solid quality. It's great quality, actually. I can't wait to see what it looks like on the car. But we're gonna have an amazing, amazing video this weekend. There's gonna be a customizing process on the Camaro this weekend. We're doing several things. We're gonna transform the Camaro, AKA Killmonger. Yeah, I named the Camaro Killmonger from Black Panther. Everybody wants to be the good guy. I'm gonna be the villain. So once again, it says The Really Rails. I got it in white just due to the fact that I wanted to pop on the black car, on the black windshield, so that people will see it. It's all about promoting yourself, all about promoting your brand. There's no one that has any more passion about what you do. I know nobody has more passion about my clothing line and about my YouTube channel and about the car than I do. So I'm gonna rep it to the fullest. I got the shirt on, I got the hat on, solid apparel. Like I said, the link is below. And actually I'm gonna put it right here for you guys to see just in case. That was my first unboxing video. Like I said, Vinyl Sickness, they're actually out of Georgia. So I got the package pretty darn quick since I'm in Memphis, Tennessee right now. Like I said, I'm gonna get it put on the car once I get all the modifications done to the car this weekend. I'm gonna get it put up there at the same time. So you'll actually be able to see the unveiling of the new and improved Camaro along with this decal from Vinyl Sickness. So go check them out. I'm gonna definitely be ordering some more stuff from them. I think I'm gonna put a couple small ones on the car somewhere as well. It's gonna be pretty dope. I'm not gonna go crazy and make it like one of those advertisement trucks going down the road, nothing like that. So thank you for watching. I will definitely keep you guys updated. Like I said, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell because when this video drops this weekend, you are definitely gonna want to be there to see it. And let's chop it up in the comments once I drop that video this weekend on Sunday. Now, if you have any questions about this video, hit me down in the comments. I'm always quick to respond and I'll definitely be in touch with you later on. So y'all take it easy. It's your main man, Really Rails, and I'm up out of here.